Welcome to Alvinsa Studio, where innovation meets sustainable living. Today, we're excited to introduce you to an incredible home that combines style, functionality, and affordability. The $179,000 shipping container house with a big roof terrace. This stunning home redefines modern living with its unique design and innovative use of repurposed shipping containers, all for an affordable price of $179,000. The exterior boasts a sleek and contemporary design featuring high-quality finishes and an impressive roof terrace that offers a perfect space for relaxation and entertainment. Nestled in the serene surroundings of Milbourne, Oklahoma, this stunning shipping container house offers a unique blend of modern living and rustic charm. Constructed from two shipping containers, a spacious 40-foot container for the main floor and an intimate 20-foot container for the second level, this home is a testament to innovative design. Upon entering the home, you are greeted by a bright and airy open-concept living area. The kitchen, designed for functionality and aesthetics, features full-sized stainless steel appliances, including a refrigerator, oven, and dishwasher. Wooden countertops provide ample space for meal preparation. Comprehensive storage is available both under counter and overhead cabinets. The living area is cozy and inviting, equipped with a snug sofa and chair, perfect for relaxation. A television for entertainment and a fireplace ensure warmth during the colder months. Large windows flood the space with natural light and offer stunning views of the outdoors, making it an ideal spot for entertaining guests or enjoying peaceful moments. Accessed via a custom wooden and steel staircase, the master suite on the second level is designed for comfort and luxury. Features include a queen-size bed with a plush mattress, guaranteeing restful sleep. Large glass doors lead to a spacious patio that offers a private retreat with panoramic views. Adjacent to the bedroom is a convenient laundry nook and a well-appointed bathroom featuring a shower cubicle encased in glass for a modern look, and a toilet and vanity providing all the necessary amenities. Here we have a generous deck, ideal for hosting gatherings or enjoying solitary moments. Just a few steps away, through large glass doors, is a private patio off the master suite, offering a serene outdoor space where one can unwind in peace. This container home is crafted to balance industrial strength with domestic warmth. Inside you'll find hardwood flooring throughout the home, adding an elegant touch. The walls feature shiplapped interiors that provide a warm, rustic feel, while the exterior maintains the raw industrial look of the shipping containers. Priced at $179,000, this shipping container house is a unique investment opportunity. It offers a blend of luxury and uniqueness, making it an attractive option for those seeking a serene lifestyle or a special retreat. Located in Milbourne, Oklahoma, this home is a perfect blend of modern comfort and industrial charm. With its innovative design, luxurious interiors, and inviting outdoor spaces, it offers a unique living experience at an affordable price. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the $179,000 shipping container house with a big roof terrace, brought to you by Alvinsa Studio. This innovative home is a perfect example of how affordable housing can be stylish, functional, and sustainable. At Alvinsa Studio, we are dedicated to creating spaces that inspire, blending modern design with eco-friendly living. Stay tuned for more exciting tours and insights into groundbreaking projects that redefine the possibilities of contemporary architecture. Until next time, may your home be a place of inspiration, comfort, and sustainability. Alvinsa Studio, where innovation and design come together.